Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm discussing what is in my bag. This is like my new love, okay? This is a fanny pack, but I use it as a crossbody bag, right? Because it's cool. It's a little thick, she's a little thick, but it holds everything that I need it to and more. So I'm going to show you the contents inside. This is typically when I travel, when I am going for work, or when I'm on a flight. This is typically what is inside this bag. So let's get on into it. Let's start with the biggest component, the main pocket, okay? Inside of this main pocket, I carry my vlogging camera. So this is a Canon G7X Mark II. This Canon G7X Mark II has been with me for as long as I can remember. It's been here since 2020, so I've had this camera for 5 years. It has some dings, some scratches, some noticeable marks because I have certainly used this quite a bit. And now the autofocus is sadly going. I might just get another one, honestly. So, because I've gotten it wet, but we won't talk about that. Back to the bag. Another thing that is an essential camera-wise is my Insta360 Go 3S. And it is detachable. It's got a small little tiny camera, and you can literally attach it to anything. I have a necklace for it. Yeah, it's just a nice little camera to have. It's got a flip-up screen and everything. It's nice to have. It's quicker to charge than a GoPro, and it also holds the charge longer. However, the only thing that's waterproof on this camera is this. And when you're out with it, it's kind of hard to vlog and know that you're getting the shot. It's difficult, okay? Especially if you're in the rain or snow, whatever. But anyways, outside of that, it is a really good camera, and I always bring it because it's so tiny, so tiny. Okay, back to the bag. Something else that I carry in here is my notebook. This is a leather green notebook from One Star Leather. So I don't know if you could see that trademark mark, but it's nice because you get credit card pockets and a side pocket as well. I keep a cleaning cloth, and then I keep a business card, sticker, photos, and then obviously the notebook. So I keep a lot of stuff in there. I like to keep it when I'm traveling. It's got all my rewards, points, numbers for like Holiday Inn and Hilton and Marriott and Enterprise, all that stuff. Put stamps in it whenever I travel, I just like to do different things like that. I also like to write down my thoughts and journal it out. And this small little notebook allows me to do that when I'm traveling because I'm always on the road now. So I have this. And the last thing that is inside this main pocket, mints. These are the Trader Joe chai tea mints. Honestly, they're pretty good. They're really good. They're expensive. But, they're 100% vegan, and they also don't have aspartame in it, which is like stuff that is really harsh on your stomach. And some of the mints have that are like not the greatest for you, but these are like all natural. So I like to keep these mints in here, and my girlfriend likes to steal them. Okay, so that was the main compartment. Let's talk about these compartments. In the smallest zipper, we have a cleaning cloth. It's a Warby Parker cleaning cloth. Obviously, the glasses, the camera, it just makes sense to have one on you at all times for me, so I have that in my bag all the time. The second pocket, I have hand sanitizer. This hand sanitizer has aloe in it, and it's super, super nice to have. Especially when you're traveling, it's just nice to have quick, easy access hand sanitizer. You can eat, whatever, do whatever you need to do. I have a Burt's Bees chapstick. It is a lifesaver, honestly. I have used this so much because my lips be chapped because I'm recently getting over a cold. So I also have eye drops. I work very long hours on the weekends and into the night sometimes. So having eye drops is nice. I need to get more. I think I'm close to being out, but eye drops, or I like to get them not red. Kind of thrown in here in this pocket. I should probably keep it in a container of some sort, but I have a bunch of toothpicks. This is kind of just for like oral stimulation basically, and to have something to do when you're working a 15 hour shift, you know, to keep your brain actively focused. This actually does work and help. And it kind of helps you not to eat a lot of mints or chew a lot of gum, which could be bad for your teeth and stomach and stuff. So I have toothpicks because that helps. In these side pockets here, this one I carry wired headphones with an adapter. These work semi-okay, but if I'm like flying or something, I'll put these in because A, they're better. They last the whole flight, depending, like, no matter how long the flight is. Wired is always good to have. And then for like working out or anything like that, I have AirPods, just the first generation, and I have it in this leather case. This case has honestly been a lifesaver because if I drop it, it usually hits on these like corner things. So it's pretty well protected. I've left this out in the rain before. It's fallen out of my pocket so many times, and my AirPods have always been good. So AirPods, my last ones. So if these die, I'm not getting any more Bluetooth ones because they're annoying. They are annoying. In this pocket up here, we have some goodies. So this is breath spray. So if I don't want mints, toothpicks, gum, anything like that, this has natural ingredients and it's breath spray. I mean, come on. You know what? Let's talk about this first real quick. I keep Listerine strips in here. You know, if I had Chipotle for lunch and I'm working at my job, these come in handy because of them onions. Okay, and I also keep this in my bag as well. Keep a bunch of Band-Aids because you never know when you can need Band-Aids. And then I also keep these strips. So these are for ankles. Basically, when they rub in your shoe and your ankles start bleeding, this helps that. And then I also carry a little teaser, extra little cologne in case I forgot mine, because nothing matters more than a first presentation. And also, you want people to like you, and by smelling good, people will already like you because you smell good. Not overwhelming, but just a little tip that I've learned, that I've witnessed. In this hidden back pocket here, right? It's hidden. It's in the back. This is what I keep. So I have this little pouch. In this pouch, I have 2 sets of earbuds. These don't really work. These are more of a backup pair, but these are my work pair. I wear these all the time. I have an extra set of them here in case I lose these, but I don't because I have a massive pouch for them, and they are always in my fanny pack. I never take these out. They're good for the plane. They're good for my job because I work in theaters and there's a lot of loud music, so earbuds protect your hearing. Come on. Last thing that is in this bag is my e-reader. This is my Books Palma 2. I've made a video about it. It is one of the best devices I have ever owned. I mean, this has my calendar. This has my books on here. This thing is just great. It's got Notion. I mean, all of my travel things, my needs, my schedules, it's all on here, which is nice because it can get the toxicity of my phone out of what I need to be doing and need to get done. It's a productivity device. But yeah, so that is everything that is in my bag. My bags switch sometimes, but for now, the fanny pack, rocking it. And that's kind of the stuff that I carry with me all the time. I like that it's leather. I like that there's a buckle, so you can just boom, quick release it, and then you're good to go. But yeah, so that's the stuff that was in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like, share, comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, enjoy life, live it up.